Warm greetings from Orbit Controls and Services. I am K. Sendil Kumar, CEO, Orbit Controls and Services. Today, we are going to look on why EEE, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So, what is the role and why should we study electrical and electronics engineering? And what are the job opportunities available across the globe? And what could be the salary package they can able to get when they possess a good skill on electrical engineering? So, electrical and electronics engineering is the most versatile and future oriented engineering stream in India. As country rapidly transition towards clean energy, green energy, electrification, automation, and smart infrastructure, everywhere EEE is essential. And EEE graduate perfectly possess a strong knowledge in electrical machines, electrical power electronics, control system, renewable energy, embedded system, and industrial automation, and much more. They making them valuable across multiple industries. One of the greatest advantage of pursuing BE electrical and electronics means EEE is the vast scope of employment in conventional and renewable energy power generation, and power electronics has emerged one of the fastest growing specialization in electrical engineering in the world, where they get thousands of or lakhs of jobs in and around India and across the globe. Apart from power electronics, power system engineering continues to offer a stable and a rewarding career opportunity globally to the electrical and electronics engineers. Power transmission, distribution, protection, substation, load dispatch centers, where many and many jobs being created and going to be created and will be filled only by electrical and electronics engineers, which cannot be filled by any other engineering domain in this particular area. And artificial intelligence based grid monitoring and cyber secured power transmission system or power networking system going to be increased hereafter for protection purpose. For that, only electrical and electronics engineers are eligible to work with that. Again, the global shift towards decentralized power generation to reduce transmission and distribution losses. Very simple, decentralized power generation in the sense creating n number of the power generation centers elsewhere across the country to reduce transmission and distribution losses, where the role of electrical engineers are 100%, so the job opportunity is 100% in the particular area for EEE engineers. One more and most important to the world is electric vehicle and smart transportation system have become another major employment sector hereafter for electrical and electronics engineer. Though we call that as an automotive, 50% become mechanical, 50% become electrical, and some more in electronics. So the electrical and electronics engineers has a tremendous opportunities in that particular area. And industrial automation and smart manufacturing is a market where EEE students get a substantial job opportunities. EEE engineers also enjoy excellent opportunities in the government organization and public sector enterprises, because the government is going to produce electrical energy towards solar and wind hereafter to meet the demand in India. And such a situation, only electrical engineers are most required people for the particular field. And entrepreneurship is very money yielding area for EEE engineers, but it will be possible only you can if you get some experience from the various industries and you have a strong knowledge about one particular domain. You can become an entrepreneur to create a job opportunities for huge peoples. Industries employing EEE graduates worldwide. Renewable energy companies, solar photovoltaic cell manufacturing companies, wind turbine manufacturing companies and wind turbine installations and maintenance companies, electric vehicle manufacturers and service centers, battery manufacturing industries and battery distributors, transmission and distribution companies, smart grid companies, microgrid companies, electrical equipments and instruments manufacturing centers like power electronic manufacturing companies, power system manufacturing companies, automation and robotic companies, oil and natural gas commission companies, railway electrification projects, smart city projects, building energy management company, government organization and public sector enterprises, and the highest salary yielding field called energy auditors. And the salary for the AAA engineers while joining is about 4 to 8 lakhs in automation firms and renewable energy companies, 8 to 15 lakhs with the multinational companies, semiconductor firms, and advanced engineering roles. Around 15 lakhs and above will be possible only the people who gain knowledge and transition to another company with a great knowledge on one particular domain. Value addition required for AAA engineers, electrical and electronics engineers. Apart from the degree, if you want to employed by an industry, what additionally you need to learn? One, strengthen core electrical engineering knowledge, master the industry softwares like MATLAB, Simulink, like that. Gain expertized knowledge in renewable energy, learn electric vehicle technology, industrial automation, embedded system skills like microprocessor, microcontroller, and embedded system, smart grid technologies, implementation of Internet of Things for a power system, artificial intelligence for cyber security to the power system. Communication skills is most important, being if you want to talk globally about your knowledge domain, you need a clear communication skill. Internship experience, which plays a major role to get a job opportunity. Industrial projects, right from third semester, fourth semester, fifth, sixth semester, till you complete your engineering, try to do some projects or involved with some project which is going on in a college. And international standards available for electrical engineering and professional networking. The first video regarding electrical and electronics engineering AAA. Hereafter, we are going to release so many informative videos regarding basic electrical standards according to the industry, and teaching of electrical components which you have seen in the institution, or some components which is not available in the institution, only in the industry will be shown. Specialty learning, internship ideas, project ideas, and company interviews, company CEO interviews, professors and professional interviews, and companies offering internship, companies offering projects, and government free opportunities for courses like that will be uploaded hereafter. If you are interested, like, subscribe, and share this video. It will be useful for many engineers like you. And follow us through Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thank you. Thank you very much.